Hi friends. Welcome to Trust Purchasing. This ballpoint pen can switch between recording and photo modes. You can take even detail and capture crisp images. Photos are saved in JPG format. Connect to a computer via the USB port on the main unit, to record recording, and check photos. Equipped with an OV2710 sensor, it provides high-definition video and image quality. Built-in 32GB memory card, easy to carry and operate. With only one button, it is very easy to use. The built-in 400 mAh lithium battery will work continuously for about 50 minutes. Supports loop recording. Comes with functions for recording and photography, so it is useful for meetings, travel, negotiations, evidence shooting, or as a security measure in your life. Use the free dedicated app to connect this device to Android or iOS smartphone, via wireless LAN, so you can watch videos recorded, anytime, anywhere. After recording, you can download the video data recorded in the smartphone app on the spot, or set the device type. If you want a hidden record, go to link in the below. Enjoy your life. Equipped with a high-definition display that allows you to see the screen clearly, and you can operate the touch of the entire screen. Easy to operate by sliding and tap. The design side has 51 different dials on the dedicated app, so you can choose to match your mood and style in daily life, and you can customize your favorite photo. You can experience a fast and stable connection. Soft information such as call, line, SMS, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram will be notified through vibration. Phone numbers, names, messages, and supported social network icons. You won't miss an email while walking or running, and businessmen can reject calls without having to take your smartphone out of your pocket in case of inconvenience such as meeting or driving a car. You can also use the smartwatch to remote shoot with your smartphone. You can check the data and time when you can't operate it by hand. Adjustable brightness. It has an equivalent of dust and water resistance, so there is no need to remove it when washing your hands and face. It can be washed with water. This smartwatch can be used easily indoors and outdoors. Battery ensures 5 to 7 days of continuous use on a single full charge. Even those who are not running out of charge and need to worry about the hassle of charging. Even if you wear it for a long time, your arms won't be tired. Smartly enjoy your life. The industry's first successful development of a DC motor that has not been used in conventional neck-mounted fans, equipped with 4 innovative turbines, and capable of reproducing the natural wind with unique technology. It is an evolved electric fan. The Desert West neck fan makes it easy to spend the hot summer, not only during work in the hot season, but also for watching sports, outdoor festivals, and summer camps. No need to worry about makeup loss or safely. This neck cooler for a long time due to its unique safety design. It is equipped with a 4000 mAh large capacity battery, and can be used continuously for a long time. You can do it with the LED display, which has the 3 conversation paths with a button, as a wind, medium wind, strong wind. Cool and enjoy your life. The unique round rotation wraps each tooth and rotates at high speeds, so it physically scrapes away the plaque. 45,000 times per minute, maximum left and right reverse vibration, 9,900 times per minute. Basically 3 care modes are available: clean mode, soft clean mode, and whitening mode. Multi-action brush, charger with cord, available travel case. You know your teeth are very important in your life. We will introduce to world best teeth protection method. Put the link below, check it. Save your teeth, and enjoy your life. The electric trimmer has an excellent R-shaped blade with excellent sharpness and safety. The tip of the blade is made of high-quality titanium and ceramic, and it is rust-free and durable. You can cut your hair without damaging your skin. The trimmer motor sound is less than 50 decibels. It will not interfere with your sleep or work. Built-in high-capacity and USB rechargeable battery, so it can be used for 210 minutes after fully charged. Waterproof trimmer is easy to remove the blade at the tip and can be washed with water. Use a little oil on the blade at the tip of the oil to drive smoothly. The dial of the trimmer body can be adjusted to 5 different heights. These sunglasses are easy to hang and can be matched with a variety of styles, and can be used for a long time regardless of fashion. Following the latest trends, this model can be used by both genders. The frame is made of lightweight and flexible EMT material. It is designed to fit both large and small sizes without feeling tight on your head. The polarized lenses are a special 7-coating technology on the surface. The first layer is polarized. The second and third layers are joined together to increase durability. The fourth and fifth layers are UV protection layers. The sixth and seventh layers are shatterproof layers. It can be used for a wide variety of occasions, such as fishing, cycling, and other sports and outdoor activities, such as driving a car or motorcycle ride. The durable wraparound lens and sleek frame protect your precious eyes and skin. Available in 7 attractive colors. Choose one for you today. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.